If you see the team when I deal with like this, nobody should disturb me. Even if I call on now, tell us I dey die. Don't answer me because I want to die.
My body, wiper. Shay, baby.
Deal with you.
Oh, please deal with me.
What's the time?
Huh?
What's the time?
What you have to?
Drink this water.
Now me drink am.
Why you go drink this water now?
I get tasty now.
This water don't be normal water. Why you go drink am?
Yeah. What lose me first?
You only you waka come,
Baby.
okay? Sorry, papi.
What? Oh, no, don't die. Why are you shouting, papi? Who be your papi? I resemble your papa. Baby, it's me. Now they call me baby. That water you drank there was supposed to prevent me from turning into a man. Babe, there's a big problem. You got a problem with a big party what we don't do now. I'm a man in the other world.
Okay.
My spirit husband. Spirit waiting. He's always rough on me. The way they knock me, if he take him. Go, I beg God lose this defense. Change back into a man. He will just know my location and he will just appear here now. Why you invite me go this heavy? Have you seen what you've caused?
Stop it! I've told you, stay away from me.
I don't want you away from me. Come on, let's go. Leave me alone. How can I leave you alone? When you know I love giving you water.
We must learn a lesson.
I don't want you.
See, I want you.
But I want him.
I tell God, Becky, I don't want you. You see, I want you. I want him. I don't want him. I'm going to punish you.
What's even wrong with yourself, eh? Look at the person I've been sacrificing for.
God have mercy upon us.
See this nonsense.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Now that you're dead like this. Yeah. No. Now read that you're dead. Since you don't want to go back with me, you go knock one last time before I let you go. Have people come up for the room for now too? I'm only doing it because of him.
Eventually.
I won't punish you because of who?
You don't know.
Brush. Not my name. I know you like wash.
I'm legally
Wash? I go come up for room because of one.
You don't know why it's going on.
You don't need to go outside. When I say we, I need 3 of us. Hey! Excuse me, sir. Hey, Carol, sir.
No, God!
Hey, Castle.
Please, no! No!
Hey, Gale.
No!
I'm not one of you.
You don't have a choice. If you don't do it, you will die.
Akara.
Don't worry. He will do it.
Do it.
My baby will do it.
Oh, my hands. What have I done?
Now this plug I carry come.
Oh, God, throw away this one. This one no be plug. I get one plug. We say na 50K. This one no, this one are fake. This one are original. They work for play, work for anything. If I see am for darkness, if I blind, I sabi am. If I see am for millions of plug, I sabi am. This one no fit work. This one are just one of a kind. Check am. This one are 50K. Just bring 50K. Make they use them. They go.
So now the plug with this.
Now it be that 10 years guarantee.
I carry that your plug.
The one where
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, please, I don't know if you can help me. I came to visit one of my brother here, all the way from Port Harcourt. But he's not around. I've tried to call him, but his number is not going through too. And I just realized that I lost my wallet. I don't know if you can help me with 1,000 naira to complete my transport so I can go back to Port Harcourt, sir.
Okay.
Please, sir, help me.
Help me!
My brother, I say I cannot stand Hans Akimbo and watch a compost mentis homo sapien like you wallow in such cataclysm and predicament.
Okay.
Because looking at the nuts and bolts, the nitty-gritties and the crinkum-crankum of the status quo of the netizens that reside in these locals, we can all deduce that they are engulfed with stupendous pauperism and pauperdom.
Greeting.
You never see anything.
I greet you when I come here now. Now transport, I just come beg you.
My brother, with my physiognomy and physog, you can deduce that it is devoid of ho-ho, ha-ha, and wah-ha-ha-ha. Yeah! So my brother, it is not yada 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 when I say my bank balance is in a fakakte, craptastic, grotty, dove, tatty bomb, and abysmal dismal. So it is highly and regrettably lugubrious.
Do I dey see you? You need this money pass me. Take. No worry. I go trek go.
The farmer will make more money.
Gaga to gaga.
Yeah, what's up? Person wants to see me. Sir, you see, I'm very sorry for interrupting, but I see I'm a very big fan. I'm addicted to your videos. I'm a very big fan. Sorry, bro. I don't accept guys as my fans. These are my fans.
Let's get it. Hop off a 16 passenger. This is G5.
What does my gender have to do with being your fan? Because all my fans blow me.
Indeed.
I don't mind.
Rape! Somebody help me! Run, rape!
Did I call you to come? No, be you come.
God have mercy upon us.
Rape! Somebody help me!
Master, please.
Master, thou is blind. Thou hast called thee to save thou. Please, master.
How thou think no say na master dey pass?
Master.
Abi thou art whining thee?
No, master. Maybe thou used the mindset.
Maybe thou use that mindset.
Yes, master.
Comfort for thy healing. So una dey see. Thou no dey stay my cloth. Thou comot thy hand from my cloth.
Master.
Go ye and see.
I can see. Master. Sorry, master.
Oku dey kill down. Oku dey kill down. That one blind my eye. Run it. Not stay my cloth, Joe.
Sorry, master.
Una see as thou healest thou come one blind thou eye.
Forgive me.
Go forget that I'm the Lord and personal. Me I go train am for you. I don't know.
Master.
This is my body and this is my blood. Do this in remembrance of me.
Thank you, Master.
If na your body dey chop like that, you go like am. See wetin this guy cut for my body. No, like Andrew, see wetin you cut for my body. Look, just look at, take a look at my body. No, take a look. You've cut the middle of my body. See what you cut for. Look am. Look, you know chop for us. When the doctor say this is my body, you know they here.
For us.
See what you cut. If your body they cut like that, you go like am. No, like if you chop this body now, which body this person go chop? You go like am with the clothes. Just thank your God, now maybe the Lord and personal Savior. If not, what I go use your eyes see.
Master.
Have my body. Peter, you see this guy. So that as he collect all my body now, which body I will come get again? Give me that body, no go no kill you. Give me that body.
It's all eyes on me. Live life of a thug nigga until the day I die. Live life of a boss player. All eyes on me. Live life of a thug nigga until the day I die. Live life of a boss player. It's even getting high. Hey, to my nigga. Live my life as a thug nigga until the day I die. Live my life as a
Are you playing?
Ross, hello, come.
Yeah.
Hello. Bros, what is the problem?
You don't know?
Of waiting.
Now workers we come here can't do peaceful protest so before we know. The thing don't turn to riot. Massive riot. Police don't even wrong go. So everybody just they carry with me. I don't carry one bag of rice. I see my can't carry drink. To carry bag of
Rice?
we'll see.
You mean? So rice there, yeah, no.
Oga Sabinus, Oga Sabinus, Itu Sabio, Oga Sabinus, Oga Sabinus, Oga Sabinus, Itu Sabio, Oga Sabinus.
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
5 years of madness. Jay. What? Okay. Help us. There is God.
Then Tiagasa?
There is God. God should descend today. God will descend here.
Hey! Bros, thank God they don't come.
Maybe you just drive past me, Nana.
Me?
You drive past me, wave me.
I drive past you.
Yes, man.
What?
Hey, Jesus.
Oh, the rice is gone. The car is gone. The heart of Nigerians are wicked. You stole my rice, you stole my car. What do I tell my Oga now? If I leave here, what do I do? Do I go this way or do I go this way?
Go and ask your grandfather.
C300. What do you say you do for a living?
Skin maker, sir. Comedian.
Comedian. In a Benz. You must be very funny.
Of course.
What's your name?
Lai Wasabi.
Sabinus.
Lai Wasabi.
Oh, I know you. 2020 Benz. You are not that funny.
Sasu, what do you want to do about that?
Lai Wasabi in a Benz.
But why you're funny now?
I said the same thing. Get out from the car.
Never made me
I
laugh in
don't
my
understand.
life.
Get out from the car, vibe, conk your head.
I don't define you since. I will tear your clothes. Daddy. Call me daddy again. Daddy. Why are you calling me daddy? But I'm just 26. What in this? You the cutest.
Hey! Baby.
I will deal with you today.
Babe!
Yeah! Love of my life.
Are you cheating on me?
I will never cheat on you. I'll give you a good for that.
Am I blind?
Give me a minute.
This time around was a bunch of women.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Young woman.
What's going on here?
I know you think you saw something. But it's always harder to see things clearly the closer you are to them.
You didn't want?
Just shift back small, I beg.
You dey smoke Igbo?
You be mumu. Like this, uncle.
I must still see you! I must see both of you! What is wrong with you?
Think so, is why? Calm down. Bobby, do you know that you see clearly with your heart?
My what?
Your heart. Your eyes will don't spoil.
This evening you will die.
Your heart. Your eyes will.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
What?
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Me, I'm not eating. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Why is that?
I don't have appetite. Person who cheats no the shop.
You haven't eaten for 2 weeks.
If now you go shop, babe, I shall not cheat on you again. I'm smelling poison.
No, I wouldn't. I didn't see.
Don't finish right. I believe you. This true love. I like you.
I found this.
Where do you see my money?
Money. Where'd you get it from?
I win bet now.
What bet?
Let me help you. I win bet on King Solomon Telegram Group.
What's King Solomon Telegram Group?
King Solomon Telegram Group is a free Telegram group that gives free tips and predictions on how to win bets in major leagues.
Is that it?
Yeah. And guess what?
What?
Just click the link in my bio to join their Telegram group for free. You get sure odds, participate in long shot games, rollover games, and salary tickets for free, and you win big.
That's all?
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah?
Yeah! I'm not good at my life in Jesus' name.
We will not go.
Babe, let's pray.
Yeah, but I get this.
Bro, our money. Your money. Babe, you collect your money. Boss, your money no dey here. Yeah. Give me a minute.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Oh no.
Young man, you are out here robbing a 2-bedroom apartment when you can be on the streets robbing banks, robbing countries. I see a lion in both of you. I'm happy you can go.
Afa, but we need money by equipment now.
True.
Welcome back, baby.
They go punish you. Take your money. Take your money. Bye. I'm proud of you guys. Don't go.
Why?
Let them go. Are you playing? What is for you would always come back to you. The angels know what they are doing.
They don't rob you. Angel don't know anything.
Angel, you know no care. You know why? Babe. You go be where? Come here, your money on your life.
You want rob Angel?
If I slap your head,
If you slap me, I will reduce your days on earth.
You be bastard.
Son of man, map by me now.
oh there.
Where is your location so that I can deliver your packages to you?
I not fit tell on my location. I go only tell on when I'll drop the package.
No, sir. Will you give this your location?
I tell on the job location. Show na the one on papa. I mean, I want to play.
You want to see crazy?
Who are you?
You look cute.
You mean her?
Yes, and I like you.
Me we broke.
Does not matter. I love to have sex with you.
But where?
Over that car.
Bombastic side eye.
We lost him. Damn. So this guy wrong. Are you the camera?
Yes, sir.
God have mercy upon us.
Hello?
My camera at my gate.
Not be juju be that.
No, sit down. No worry, I'll lap you.